Alright guys, so in the last video, I shared with you guys that System.io does have their own email processor that you can use, right? You need to have some sort of email processors. I'm going to share with you two that you can use to create your actual page for you to get the person's email, okay? So System.io uses, from my understanding, right, ActiveCampaign. And I'm saying my understanding because I do not use ActiveCampaign, which is why I'm going to show you guys what else you can do so that you can actually have the email and use that for your actual funnel for the 10x system, okay? So when you when you sign up for System.io, you can get the free plan and you get everything that I'm looking at right now because I have the free plan. So you're going to click here and actually going to click on the picture and click on settings. When you click on settings, it takes you to this page right here, and right here is the part where it says ActiveCampaign. I'm showing you this in case you are interested in using ActiveCampaign, and here's why I'm doing this. So you would have to create an ActiveCampaign account, which is this. I have everything pulled up so y'all can see it, right? I don't have an account. I'm just showing you what it looks like. The reason why I wanted to bring up this part before we go into creating the landing page using MailChimp, and the other one is ConvertKit, is because one of our top earners over here at the 10x system, Noah, guys, Noah did share this in our group for anybody who either joins him and anybody in the 10x system who needs a little bit more support. He's giving away this for free. Guys, this is major. And inside of this mini training he created for us, or for anybody who joins him, I should say, if you scroll down on the first videos, right, he gives you so much good information in here. I'm telling you, this is great. He has here his link for his free trial with ActiveCampaign, okay? So you can come on here and he's going to show you exactly how to create it using ActiveCampaign and how to connect it. The only difference here, he's showing you how to connect it to ClickFunnels. I'm showing you how to connect it to System.ie. But if you go in here, you create your ActiveCampaign, it's going to be the same thing, okay? So I just wanted to come on here, share that with y'all. If you want to use System.io, if you want to use ActiveCampaign with System.io, guys, go check that out. It's in the group for free, and he teaches you how to use ActiveCampaign step by step. Next, I'm going to go over how to create a landing page on MailChimp so that you can then come and bring that link into your funnel with System.io. Hey, you guys, so very quickly, as I was creating the video, the part where I show you guys how to do the MailChimp, I am no longer going to add that. Unfortunately, literally MailChimp just suspended me the minute I added the 10x link, right? I don't know if y'all can see, but you see suspended. Literally, I was creating the landing page to show you guys the example. But I'm glad that this happened because a bunch of you I know are going to flock to MailChimp because it's free. Unfortunately, MailChimp, they just don't really mess with those. It's part of their violations. I don't know, something on the 10x website, they just weren't allowing it. As somebody who's done affiliate marketing and has been in the make money online niche since 2017, this has happened to me in the past, which is why I normally don't send people to MailChimp. I didn't think it would be an issue, but I guess it's still happening. So unfortunately, I'm not showing you how to use MailChimp. You are not going to be able to use it. If you want to go ahead and use it because it's free, this is my warning to you. This is my little disclaimer. I mentioned that I was going to show it, but I'm not going to show it. Just know that you can do the same thing on ConvertKit. You could do the same thing on Aweber. You could do the same thing on ActiveCampaign. And I'm naming a bunch of email processors that you can use, okay? So I'm sorry about that, but enjoy the rest of the video. Now I want to quickly show you how to create the landing page on ConvertKit. Now this is the one that I use, guys. But again, you can use any email processor. We just need to actually have an actual email processor in order to collect those emails. So this is what ConvertKit looks like. You're going to click on where it says Grow, Landing Pages, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Create New. We're going to click on Form. Actually, not Form. Sorry. Landing Page. And then you go ahead, you could choose one of these templates. I need something simple, right? Because it's not a lot of text here. So this is the one that I always use. Or which is the one that I'm using in my page? I think it's this one, guys. Yes. Choose. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. Again, it doesn't have to be nothing crazy. We're not going to have an image here. Unless you want to have a picture of yourself, you can. And then I'm just going to, this is very simple. You see this text? I'm just going ahead and wait. Where should we send you the video? Right? Take this. I'm going to delete that because I don't need that text. Click where it says here. You see I click that plus sign. It brought me here, custom fields. First name. We want it to be required. So you can play around with the colors, all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and see. ConvertKit allows you to move this around, which I appreciate. Versus MailChimp, it does not. Then the button, I always like to change that. We don't want to leave it to say subscribe. You just click on it. Send me the video. Or watch video. Right? I think that's actually what I have. And then that's it. Of course, I have my, you change the name up here, right? 10x. And I have a whole nother video on ConvertKit, which is why I'm going quickly. This video is already long. And then we're going to click publish. And this is your link right here. Actually, oh my God, no. I forgot one important part, guys, because I'm rushing over here. We want to make sure that when they click send me the video, that we send them the video. So you have to click on settings. And then, very simple, right? It tells you exactly, general. When a visitor subscribes to the page, what are we going to do? We are going to redirect them to an external page. Same thing, right? Let's go in here, copy that, and then bam, save, and now publish. Then you're going to copy this and go back, right? Just like we did earlier. The only difference is we're going to click on, well, there's no difference. What we're doing here is we're just driving the link, the ConvertKit in this example. Click watch video, make sure you put that in there. Scroll down, click this other button, make sure you put that in there, guys. Save the changes, and you are done. One last thing. When you do all of this, please test it out, right? You need to test this out. How are you going to test this out? You're going to click on your link. Do it from your phone, do it from your laptop, both, just to make sure. Click here, go through the process, and make sure that you are able to actually go to the website. So I hope you guys found this useful. Please make sure you comment down below or send me any DMs if you have any questions. See you in the next video.